To fix a restricted Coinbase account, follow these steps. First, understand that Coinbase restricts accounts for various reasons, including suspicious activity, incomplete verification, or non-compliance with terms of service. When your account is restricted, you will not be able to buy, sell, or transfer funds. To unrestrict your account, start by verifying your identity and ensuring all information is accurate and up to date. Log into your Coinbase account and navigate to the verification section. Complete any missing verification steps, including uploading a valid government-issued ID and proof of address. Next, review Coinbase's terms of service and ensure you are not violating any rules. Common issues include using VPNs, accessing the account from multiple locations, or engaging in suspicious trading activity. If you have recently changed your location or used a VPN, try accessing your account from a recognized location without the VPN. Coinbase also offers a support page where you can find more information on common account restriction issues and solutions. If your account is still restricted, contact Coinbase support directly. They will guide you through the process of resolving the issue. Be prepared to provide additional information or documentation to verify your identity and account activity. In some cases, Coinbase may require you to wait a certain period before lifting the restriction. During this time, ensure you do not attempt to access or use your account, as this can further delay the process. To prevent future account restrictions, make sure to keep your account information up to date, use strong and unique passwords, and avoid engaging in suspicious activity. By following these steps and best practices, you can resolve the Coinbase account restricted issue and regain access to your account.